Hey everyone, welcome back. Alright, this is a lesson about dividing fractions. For dividing fractions, this is something that students have learned in 5th and 6th grade, but it doesn't hurt to have a good reminder. Now there's many ways to divide fractions, and I'm sure previous teachers have taught in many different ways. The first way is the traditional way. This is the way that parents have usually learned it. This is the way I learned it. When you're dividing a fraction, we do what's called keep, change, flip. That means you keep the first fraction the same, you change the division into multiplication, and you flip or take the reciprocal of the second fraction. Notice, the first fraction stays the same, you change to multiplication, and you take the reciprocal of the second fraction. Now that we're here, it's just a multiplication problem. Is there anything that can simplify? Yes. We can divide by 4 and divide by 4. Then we just multiply straight across. We get the answer 14 over 15. Another way to be able to do this is to just be able to divide straight across. So if I did 7 divided by 5 and 12 divided by 8, I would get 1.4 and 1.5. If I multiply both of them by 10, notice I get 14 over 15, just like the other way. You can also get a common denominator. This is a way that some people like to do it because watch what happens when you get a common denominator. When you divide straight across, I get 14 divided by 15 and 24 divided by 24 is 1. Now 14 divided by 15 is 14 fifteenths. Same as the answer. Let's see these side by side. First way, keep, change, take the reciprocal. Simplify, and you get the answer 7 over 3. Way 2, divide straight across. Notice 14 divided by 2 is 7, 15 divided by 5 is 3. That divide straight across does work nicely when the numbers are cooperative. And if you want to get a common denominator, get the denominator 15, what do you end up with? 14 divided by 6 over 1, which is 14 divided by 6. And when you simplify it, of course, you get 7 over 3. Hopefully you notice that no matter which way you do it, you always seem to get the same answer, or you will always get the same answer. And you can also notice that certain methods are better in certain situations. This is why previous teachers have taught so many different ways. All right, that's it for this one. Next one will be dividing mixed numbers, and thanks a bunch.